Yes, good evening to everybody. Welcome to the class of the law of insurance. And today, the public liability that I'm going to deal it. Please read what I put on the screen so that I could know that you are with me and I am with you. Both are traveling the same boat to reach the destination. Yes. Anyone? Okay. Just now it is disappeared again. Okay. Now let me come to the point to see where it is disappeared. Yes. Yes. Now you can read. Yes. Read what I put on the screen.
Sir, good
Public
evening, sir. Public liability
public
insurance,
liability.
good evening. It is meant for business dealing with the public clients or agents. If offers a financial coverage against a third party liability, bodily injury or property damage, and legal liability.
Yes, that is the public. What is public liability insurance? Let us see that. Hmm. If you want to see that what is public liability insurance, a public liability insurance policy is a type of insurance policy that provides cover for any physical injury as well as the property damage caused to the third party because of the policyholder or in his or her owned premises. Both the things would be there, property as well as to the injury to the physical injury to the public. It is a commonly known as the commercial general liability insurance as well as which works as a combination of both product liability and public liability insurance policies. It can also be known as a commercial general liability insurance as well, which works as a combination of both the product liability and the public liability insurance policies. For instance, a customer visiting your office slips and breaks her ankle due to the wet floor, leading to the hospitalization. What if this leads to the liability arising out of the injury? That is why having your business insured with the public liability insurance is necessary. Because where he was injured, where he was injured,
Office at
if your
office.
office slips and breaks his legs and ankle, got fractured, hospitalized. So at that instance, your business insured with the public liability should be there. A public or a third party liability insurance is paramount for the business owners. We saw third parties only for the motor vehicle accident, but here the third party insurance also given to the commercial insurance, that is about the product liability as well as the public liability. And even doctors, a liability insurance policy is usually acquired by entrepreneurs or individuals who might be held accountable for the legal or financial liabilities apart from other relevant issues. Suppose if a patient comes to you for the consultation and it is your consulting room, it is a clinic. Because of the wet floor, he slipped and got injured. Either the leg bone or femur bone or knee or shin bone or any one of the bone of the fractured. Why only leg? He may, if a person falls down, he wear hands also, radius, ulna, and here wrinkle bones, anything would be possibility would be there. At that instance, commercial insurance you have to take it, product insurance you have to take it out, and business insurance you have to take it out. Hence, public liability insurance will play an important role. So why do you need the public liability insurance? Can anyone unmute and read this which I highlighted here?
Public liability insurance in India is specially designed for the companies or individuals who may be held liable or legally responsible to pay for the injury or other related damages caused to a third party. This is especially recommended for for professional organizations like hospitals, BPOs, doctors, and even business owners. For instance, if your faulty product causes damage or injury to someone else, you may be sued for the loss caused.
Yes, even if he slips down, or your product is not worthy enough to consume, at that instance, the liability would be there on you. Number one, for the personal injury, you got it because you are a third person. Is it or not? You are a customer,
Yes,
you
sir.
are a client, you are a
Yes.
consumer. Hence, one liability would be there. So, and if the product is not up to the mark of the consumable nature, and if you suffered any loss because of such a product consuming it, then liability will be on you also. So both the way that you will be held liable. Hence, public liability insurance is must, which is nothing but a commercial transactions where both the product liability as well as the your business liability, commercial liability would be held responsible. So, moreover, if your business involves the following criterions that you need to consider buying the PL insurance. Number one, if you interact with your client on a frequent basis regarding work, like a hospital you kept it, and a clinic you kept it, and if any patient comes for your clinic for the consultation, if you got injured over there, you have to supposed to have the public liability insurance. The second bullet, as a business entity, you get access to any of your clients' assets, especially for IT professionals. It is advised to be covered IT business liability insurance. If you are doing any work, if any other untoward incidents happened over there in the company, at that instance, if a person got injured plus property got injured over there, then who has to pay the compensation to him? The owner should have to make the product liability and the business liability and the personal that is a public liability insurance should be there. Then it will be covered the entirely. If the third party would be there, then third party who got the injury, he will get the compensation. If the product also you want to keep it in a such a way, a business liability would be there, commercial liability would be there, then even the computers which are burnt over there or accessory you are burnt over there, even the insured will get it from the insurance company. So if you are a representative of your client's business, even a representative also for the client business, and you got injured over there, again you will come under the public insurance liability. If you are using the third party side for your business needs, because you are not a party to the insurance company or to the insured and insurance company, but you went over there as a third party for the business needs. At that instance, yes, you would be held liable because of the public liability insurance. So, public liability insurance is must now. And for instance, you take the Bhopal gas tragedy case now. The gas leaks would be there. So, every person, those who are working over there, they should be insured. And the product and the machines which are there, if they are burnt away, if it is damaged over there, even that also be covered over the business insurance policy. So benefits of the public insurance, yes, anyone can unmute and read these benefits of the, yes. Anyone can unmute and read the benefits of the public liability insurance.
It might not be statutory legal requirement, but it is a necessary by to protect the business from a monetary drain arising out
Protect
of
the business.
a lawsuit. At any
Necessary
point in time, if your business is issued by a third party, the insurance will cover the entire legal expenses on you. You should consider this insurance if your business comes into contract with third parties on a frequent basis.
For
Thank you,
instance,
sir.
mall is there, supermarket is there. The supermarket, you go as a client or a customer, as a consumer, and you buy the things. If the wet floor is there, if you got injured, that will be covered for your personal injuries, third person insurance. Suppose if you bought the product over there, the product is a defective. At that instance, you suffered the loss, even that also be covered over there. So both the things will come under the public liability insurance. One is the product liability, another is the personal public liability also there. If you can protect your business from unforeseen events by the purchasing a public liability insurance policy that comes within the following benefits. Number one, bodily injury. To whom? Bodily injury to whom?
The person who
Goes over
entered
there
in
as a consumer, as a client, as a customer.
as a consumer.
Yes. If any injury is caused to a third party visiting the office or the mall or any other place, workplace, resulting in a major damage will be covered by the third party liability insurance. That is the benefit of it. Number two, property damage. Whose property damage? Whose property
The
damage?
supermarket.
Policyholder property damage, sir.
Policyholder or insured person who is having the interest in the property. to cover it. So it covers your business against any basic third party liability arising from the damage that occurred to the property of others. If the other property also will be there, even that also damaged, or your property also will damage, and you will see that your business will commercial transaction should be insured over there. So that will be the very much plus point for the owner of the business. So next, personal injuries. Whose personal injuries? The policy also covers you of an offense like a false arrest, wrongful entry, negligence or slander, etc. The personal injury also will be covered over there if the public liability insurance is taken. Next, the liability arising out of advertising rights. This is the another point. So, in case of your marketing division violates the copyright rules of someone else, and liability arises out of this, consider as under general liability coverage. Even if you say our product is better than the so and so product, if you name the product name, then it will be becomes a defamation. And if it negligent statement that you false statement you made it, if it is really a false, if you want to sell your product, you sell your product. Our product is having the so and so caliber, so and so thing, so and so combination, so and so specification. But you should not blame the other product by comparing with your product. So that is the liability arising out of the advertising rights also will be covered over there. Then contractual and tenants liability. If your business space is rented and any liability arises if you entered in a leased contract, then expenses will be covered under the public liability insurance policy. Either you are a owner of the property of that place, or you lease that place and you are running your own business where the customers, clients, consumers comes as a third party. If they got injured, or if their property also injured over there, and because of they got themselves injured because of the product is not worth enough or consumable in nature, number one, or the place is not in a conducive because of the wet floor is there. That's why that the caution board will be kept over the wet floor is wet, take care of it or take the diversion. So that also they will put the caution boards and with their mapping in the malls, especially corridors. Then the lawsuits, investigation and settlement. In case of a lawsuit against you, the insurance company will bear the expenses of an investigator and attorney, medical expenses, if any, all the thing will be borne by the insurance company. So commercial general liability insurance or public liability insurance, both the names are there. Number one, commercial general liability insurance or public liability policy ensures that your business takes off without incurring any unexpected financial loss. General liability business insurance assures a safe future of your business by covering almost all type of the liability expenses. Hence, if any person is running any business like a mall or a clinic for consultation, he has to see that everything should be safe. When a client or a customer or a consumer comes to you for your benefit as a visitor. So this public liability insurance comes to the rescue, then it will be paid to the injury to the client or consumer or the customer, including the property which is lost over there, even that also will be covered in addition to that one. So types of the public liability insurance. How many types of the public liability insurance are there? Yes, can anyone will read this one? 3 bullets.
Types of public liability insurance. Although the types of public liability insurance, India is not properly defined in most of the countries. The following types of public liability policies are offered. Public liability for godowns, warehouses, or other manufacturing units. Public liability for non-manufacturing units such as BOPS. It firms, hotels, restaurants, schools, clubs, etc. Public Liability Act, business units that are dealing with hazardous substance as for the Public Liability Act 1991.
See, after the Bhopal gas tragedy case law, then there is the enactment was made. Any hazardous industries running over there at the time, they should be come under the Public Liability Act 1991. Every person working under the hazardous industry should be insured both the way, personal way as well as the property way. In the both the things will come into the picture. So Public Liability Act is passed over there in 1991 after the Bhopal gas tragedy case law occurred. Then let us see the public liability insurance coverage. What is the coverage to be there in the public liability insurance? The coverage under the public liability insurance or third party liability coverage is extended for the industrial risk, non-industrial risk, all business units dealing with the hazardous substances, etc., to enjoy more comprehensive protection. This policy can be extended to cover other legal expenses arising out of natural calamity, even that also be covered over there. Sudden and accidental pollution, if anything comes out, leakage, pollution is there. Even a transportation also covered over there. Carriage of treated effluents. Suppose the effluents, toxic effluents comes out of your industry. At that instant, the toxic effluents causes the dangerous to the even flora and fauna, including the drinking water and animals, and the people those who are using that stream for the drinking water. If anybody is got victimized over there, even that also comes under it, because it is like a coverage is very wide coverage will be there in the public liability insurance. Natural calamity is there, but like the earthquakes, hurricanes, volcanoes, or any other calamity which is not controlled by the human manpower, then sudden and accidental pollution occurs over there. Even the transportation problem would be there. If anybody is injured, got victimized, even that also be covered. And carriage of the treated effluent, etc. Then a treated effluents are carrying or emitting from the industry, causing the harm to the other public, then the public liability insurance will come into the picture. The list of the coverage includes, number one, yes, read, anyone unmute and read. The list of the coverage includes. Yes.
The list of coverage includes lawsuits, investigation and settlements. If your business is being sued for any damage caused to a third party, the insurer covers the expenses of investigating officer or lawyer. Second one, medical expenses in case of an injury to a third party attending to your office. The medical expenses will be covered by commercial or general insurance India. Next one, damage or injury due to an accident in your premises or from your product operations or promotional ad leading to a third party liability claim will be covered. Liability arising due to damage to a third party property while visiting your office will be covered. Thank you, sir.
Yes. So, if any other expenditure incurred in the bringing the lawsuit and investigation and settlement, and if your business is being sued for any damage caused to a third party, the insurance covers the expenses of the investigation officers, lawyers, and everything will be covered under the insurance. So, medical expenses in case of an injury to a third party attending your office, coming to your office for the purchase, for the consultation, for any other thing, business that you are doing over there, then the medical expenses will be covered by the Commercial General Insurance India. And the third point is damage or injury due to an accident in your premises or from your products. If the product causes any injury or operations or promotional ads leading to a third party liability claim will be covered. Even that also be covered. Then the last one is liability arising due to the negligent damage to a third party property while visiting your office will be covered. Suppose a party comes to your office for the consultation and he is carrying in his bag some, let us say, some one case of the X. When he slips down, then the bag will fall down on the floor. Then what will happen to the X?
In emergency, sir, delivery.
All the X all broken. They will become a liquid. X, I said. EGGS, X. Even the property which is in your hand will be damaged. Even that also be covered over there. In addition to your personal injury which got because of the wet floor. Did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if he is carrying a Johnny Walker bottle, which is cost is not less than 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, depending upon the liters, or any other foreign brand he is carrying over there. But he slipped down, and the bottle is broken, and all the alcohol went down. Even that also be covered over there. Injury as well as the visiting office will be covered. Property which is carrying with him, that also be covered over there. So what's not covered with the public liability insurance? Anyone can unmute and read this. Yes. Not covered by the public liability insurance. Are you ready?
Sir,
Read.
what is not covered by public liability insurance? Public liability or commercial general liability insurance shall not cover the claims arising under the following situations. 1. Professional errors. The insurer will only be covered for liabilities that are arising out of third party injury, property damage, disability.
Yeah.
Any kind of
The breakage of voice is
professional.
okay. I will read.
Next
I will
one.
read.
Business property damage.
Yes, because the breakage of the voice is there. I will read it. Number 1.
Business property damage.
I
A
will
sudden
read.
fire
I
outbreak
will
or
read. I said
damage
I will read.
will be provided only in same. Sir,
Are you ready? Your voice is breaking.
sir,
That's why I will read.
shall I continue?
No, I will read. I myself will read because your voice
Yeah,
is
okay, sir. I am Venkatesh.
Your voice is breaking. Stop. I will read.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Professional errors. What is the professional errors? The
Okay.
insurer will only covered with for liability that are arising out of the third party injury, property damage, or disability. For any kind of the professional errors are there, you should buy professional liability insurance. If any person got the professional negligence, would be there. At the time, the professional negligence will be covered over there, but not the general insurance. Business property damage. A sudden fire broke out. Outbreak has damaged the front of part of your office. Compensation will be provided only in the case of third party liability damage. But for the damage which is caused to you for the break, the fire broken, fire break is there, outbreak is there. At the time, the fire insurance should be there, then only you will be covered. Otherwise, you will not be covered. But the person who got injured over there, third party, that will be covered over there. It is also does not cover the damage arising out of war or war-like situation. If any cold war is there, a coup d'etat is there, or if any other cold war comes over there, that even any damage is caused over there, that will not be covered under the public liability or the commercial general liability insurance. Then the next is any intentional or deliberate damage out of the scope of coverage. Scope of coverage, any intentional damage is be there, even that thing are not covered under this category of the public liability insurance. Then the last but one is damages caused due to the ionizing radiation are excluded as well. If any radiations are there, occurred over there, then it will not be covered under the public liability insurance. Damage arising out of the fines, punitive penalties, exemplary damages, these are not compensated under this public liability insurance. Then now we will see how is the sum insured decided to public liability insurance. Now, what is the calculation? While deciding the premium for the public liability insurance, the insurer takes various factors into consideration. The foremost thing that severely affect the premium of third-party liability insurance is the amount of risk your business is exposed to. Higher the risk, higher the premium. Lower the risk, lower the premium. Higher the premium you will pay, or vice versa. The other factors include the claim settlement history of the insured, how the insured approaches certain risk, business or record. So it is depending upon the type of the business that you are doing and the people are coming at you. In that way, if the probability of burning is there, probability of the damage would be there. At that instance, naturally, the higher premium would be there. Like the hazardous industry, there is a lot of chances would be there. If any escape comes in the toxic, like a Bhopal gas tragedy, then the premium for the third party insurance is more. So, how to buy the best public liability insurance? What are the factors should be taken into consideration when you are buying the public liability insurance? Number one, buying the right type of the public liability insurance is imperative. It's a must. So, with plenty of the policy options and innovative products, it can be little confusing. So, simply start by analyzing your insurance needs. What are the needs should be there? Then you want to buy the insurance. You can also buy it online and make an easy comparison. You can compare the insurance based on their claim settlement ratio. How much the percentage? How much the ratio? How much the coverage? What are things are covered? What are the things are not covered? And how much the premium if these things are covered? If other extra rider would be there, then extra premium would be paid over there. It is the best way to ensure the right liability coverage. So generally, if you want to buy a small goods also in the market, what you have to do is at least you have to ask for the same brand in the 3 shops, then see the difference between them. Whether the same brand is sold in different rates, then where do you buy it? Yes.
Where the cheapest,
Where the
we will
cost
buy
is
there.
less. Where the cheap cost, same brand, same thing, but the less amount that you have to pay, generally you use your intelligentsia and buy that thing. Suppose again they keep it, whether they duplicate or it
Voice
is
is
genuine.
breaking, sir.
Yes. Speak. Speak. Shall I proceed?
So,
Shall I proceed?
Voice is breaking, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes.
Please
There
break,
is
sir.
a fault. There is a fault in you, not in my fault.
Okay, sir. Carry on. Sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes. If not, you can visit a nearby branch and buy an insurance offline. You will have to approach the insurance officer and pay the premium by cash or check. Well, whatever mode you choose it, just make sure that it caters your needs and requirements. Suppose you were having only 2,000 in your pocket to purchase a trouser and a shirt. Sir, what is trouser? What is pant, sir? It is one is British English, another is American English. Sir, which is a British English, sir? Trouser is a British English or pant is a British English?
Trouser is a British English.
Trouser is the British English, sir. Pant is an American English.
I appreciate. If you go in the Raymond showroom or any other showroom, a big showroom, at that instance, the cost is more. But you go in a small place where the Raymonds are available there, and same company would be there where the cost is less there. What is the reason?
The shop rent is highly, or maintenance is highly.
There are various.
No, sir.
offices are
The
provided
short
over
one
there.
is an original, sir.
No.
No.
The second
You have
one
to
is
see
an pieces, sir. Cut pieces.
original, because originality also you have to
Sir.
check it. Suppose the same
Originality in the
Speak.
showroom, sir. Sir, original piece is in the showroom, sir.
If you go exclusively showroom of the Raymond, there is no duplication. If you go in other shops, there may be possibility that a duplicate would be available. For instance, Johnson and Johnson products. There are many duplicate products are there, Johnson and Johnson's, available in the market, and the cost is less, the quality is low. But if you buy from the showroom, they will maintain the credibility, standardness. So, depending upon that factor, you have to decide where to buy and what to buy. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So,
Somewhere they are taking handling charges extra because of urban and semi-urban.
yes. Suppose if you buy the insurance from an agent, the agent will give the commission to you.
Yeah.
And Sometimes no, you will pay the half of the amount of the premium. So it's depending upon the type of the insurance that you are going to buy, what are the needs you have to make it out. So buy the things from that place. See, if your tea is there, the tea on the a rickshaw, a road shops, a shop on the roadside is cheap. The same thing in the hotel is a different, and the same thing in a five-star hotel it is a different. But only the hygienic and the facilities provided would be there. And if you want to see my purpose should be served over there, better you take the side shop which is there. Immediately you can take and you can go because the time consuming is not there. So that also be taken into consideration when you are buying the any insurance policies. How to claim public liability insurance? There is no standard set of the claiming public liability insurance. The claim process may vary insurer to insurer. How much the time it will be taken? While they are giving the where they're selling the insurance, they will give the lot of treatment to you. But when you want to claim it, they will keep all the hitches and hindrances. Just ensure that you have kept all the relevant documents handy and provide the insurance investigator with the right information. Whenever a liability claims arises, immediately inform the insurer and complete the further formalities. Suppose if you got injured over there and where your leg fracture or femur bone fracture or the ulna fracture or hand fracture would be there, then your nearest police station you have to bring to the notice to them. Then number one, and you have to give to the insurance company also the notice, and you can take the medical certificate, the certificate from the hospital where you got the treatment, and show it to the police department, and in the FIR will be issued with it. Then everything will be coming to the picture. Then all the documents what you have it, you have to show to them so that the easy process should be there. Usually, whenever a claim is registered, the insurer appoints a surveyor to investigate the claim and estimate the damage. So, a insurance company will not give the damage whatever that you asked it. He will appoint the surveyor. Then he will surveyor come and investigate you, and you have to show all the documents. Then only if he's satisfied by it, then he will approve it. If not, the approval will be less than what you claimed. In case of liability, the court decides the liability amount of the same will be settled by the insurance company. So, generally, when you are making such a thing, you will employ or you will hire a good advocate so that he use his tactics and see that the maximum amount you are going to claim it. Of course, he will put all the receipts with it, and he will try to explain also. It is the discretion of the judge or magistrate and under whose bench the case is pending or case is going on, and he will decide it how much is the reasonable to pay and how much is not reasonable to pay. This requires all the supporting documents to be submitted without fail. So whenever the insurance claim that you want to make it out, and all the documents you have to keep it, including the traveling charges, including the hospital charges, nursing charges, dressing charges, medical charges, all the file you have to maintain it. Take the original from the people from where you purchase the things, and with the original bill. However, liability claim is completely different from the other claims. It involves the judgment of the court. So, in the most of the cases, again, the liability will come over there. It is the discretion of the judge, and who will see that yes, the documents which he produced are genuine, and there is no other excessive claims are there. That way, then he will make it that much which is asked by the advocate. So these are the things where the insurance company will work over there. But in one way, in another way, while buying it, it takes less time. But when you are claiming it, it takes more time because of various other factors. So one thing that I would like to ask you there. So one person asked a new person, but that fellow is having the habit of take some 90 ml or some alcohol. So he asked the near passerby, "Sir, where is the wine shop?" What he asked?
Wine shop.
Where is the wine shop? So you know what is the logical answer he is giving. While going, it will take only 3 minutes, but while coming, it will take half an hour. Did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
While going, it takes a less time. While coming, it takes a long time. What is the logic?
Before going without drinking, sir. After coming, drinking the wine, sir.
So, one step
So,
ahead and two steps behind.
oh, yes, sir.
So, it takes a lot of time. So, in the same manner, when you are buying it, it takes a less time to buy the insurance policy. But when you want to claim it, there are a lot of litigations are there. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So now the public liability insurance also can be known as
Third party insurance.
general commercial insurance or commercial general insurance. It also goes as product liability insurance. See, in the beginning that I have shown you this thing. What I said, what are the why it can be called and why it is so. A public liability insurance is a policy, is a type of insurance policy that provides cover for any physical injury as well as the property damage caused to the third party because of the policy holder or his her owned premises. It is commonly known as, read, it is commonly known as
Commercial general liability
insurance.
insurance, as well as which work as a combination of both product liability and public liability insurance policies.
Yes, it is nothing but the product liability insurance is there and the public liability insurance is there. Public liability insurance because of the injury caused over there, because he went there as a customer, he went there as a client, we went there as a consumer to buy the goods over there. Meanwhile, in the middle, in the way, on the way, or near, or in the office, or supermarket, in the clinic, in the hospital, where he got injured over there, that injury will be claimed from him. That is the product public liability insurance. If anything which is purchased over there, which is a wrong product which he consumed over there, at that time the product liability insurance also comes over there. So it is a combination of the both product liability and public liability insurance policies. So whenever a person is owning the property, then he will make the public liability insurance plus product liability insurance also. Because in the both the way, if any injury is caused, then that will be borne by the insurer. So that is the thing. In that way, the premium generally in the public liability insurance is more, because the nature of the business which he is doing. If the nature of the business which he is doing over there, if it is a fire accident occurs, if any damage occurs over there, naturally for the business he has to see that fire insurance he should have to do it. For instance, you take the alcoholic, the wine shops, paper marts, bookstalls, there will be a fire insurance. Definitely it will be there, because there is a lot of chances it will be ignited. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So in that way, it can be undertaken, either the fire insurance, they will take it, and they will also take the product liability insurance also, because if any product, either by the design defect, or by the marketing defect, or by the manufacturing defect, if anything causes the injury to the consumer, at that instance, even the consumer is not the party to the contract and he is a stranger, and that is the reason third party is not the contract party to the contract between the insured and the policy holder, but still he is the beneficiary, hence he would be compensated. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Suppose the injury cost is more than the insured, at that instance, the rest of the excess amount should be borne by the insured. The insurance company will not give you that much. Whatever the target amount agreed by the parties, both the parties, he will give that amount, but the expenditure comes to the third party insurance is more, at that instance, then the excess amount will be borne by the Policy holder. Did you get my
Yes, sir.
point? So that is the total thing of the today's class. Then if you want to see the syllabus, yes, syllabus I am coming. Yes. So in the syllabus you could see here. And there is the purpose of rights of the third parties. We completed public liability insurance. Today we completed. And tomorrow class, adjudicating authorities of insurance claims. Who are the adjudicating authority over the insurance claims? And we will see it in tomorrow class. So before you coming to the class, please read and come to the class so that class or a participating class rather than the sermon class. This thing that I would like to make it out. And yes, and still I'm waiting for my air ticket for the round trip. I don't know whether this month I will get, because my boss told me yes, it is by end of the January everything will be completed. That was a say. And if you want to having interest to listen, yes, a webinar is going to be organized. A webinar is going to be organized. Here I will show you that thing on 22nd regarding the rights of the children. This is which I am highlighting it. Did you see it? What is highlighted?
Yes, sir.
Seeking consent as a chief guest for the webinar on protection of child rights and issues and challenges. So this is organized by AKK
Sir.
New College, that is their law college, aided college. It is there in the Pune. It is the Majumdar College. Majumdar is the owner of it, and they are organizing the webinar for that. That I am going to be a chief guest for the webinar of the protection of your child rights and issues and challenges. So if you are interested, I will ask them, sir, my students also want to join and learn it. So you will also join. I will share the link with you.
Sir.
This is thing. This is conducted by the Center for the
Sir.
Human Rights and Minority Welfare, and our college is organizing the webinar. And timing they put it there at the 10:30 a.m. and that is on 22nd, 1st, 2022. But our our students of the former students also there is some 22. There is some program is there. I don't know.
Yes, sir.
Conflict between the two. So I would have to decide it because if it's of 22, if you keep it on 23, it's well and good. I may say, but I don't know whether this organizer will change the timings or not. But I will try to ask them. But I am not sure whether the program, because it has happened like that last time it happened. So at the time I will be the loser. So better let it they fix on 23rd. It will be quite good. So this is the one thing which I would like to make it from you. And with this, I would like to stop my today lecture, and I will see you tomorrow at the same timings at the 7:10 to 8 o'clock on the same Cisco WebEx platform meet. Up to that extent, let me say the goodbye and good day to you. See you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, thanks a lot. And